So as some of you might know, last week I was asked to give a presentation in Winnipeg. I was one of 3 panelists at the annual Tri-National Agricultural Accord. What this is a meeting between dignitaries and regulators, as well as industry partners in the agriculture sector. And the theme of this year's was, what do regulators and industry need to do and how can they work together to capture innovation and disruption within the industry? So I'm using this as a springboard or critique feedback to get my presentation skills honed up. So if you could give me some feedback, that'd be amazing. And I thank you for listening to my presentation. So my name is AJ. My position within DOT Technology Corporation is Technical Educator and Development Lead. What position is this, you might ask? So it's my job to teach the next generation of the marketplace about autonomy, its use, its limitation, and its implications for the agricultural industry now and in the future. DOT is a small company from Western Canada that is aiming to provide automated solutions which provide a path to autonomy for producers, manufacturers, and industry partners. We pull together multiple industries and disciplines, and these include tech, academia, engineering, manufacturing, and agronomy as just the tip of our iceberg. Now I have a short video explaining what the DOT Power Platform is and how it can help your operations. So DAW was founded by Norbert Bojo, who is most notable for his innovations with SeedHawk and SeedMaster over the last 20 plus years. In 2017, we officially released the DOT UA1 Power Platform to the market, along with our partner implements the Pattison Connect PLU 120 sprayer and the SeedMaster DSR single rank, followed shortly by the new Leader G5 spreader. In 2019, we sold 4 units to early adopters who integrated the platform into their current farming operations, all within Saskatchewan. So what is hashtag path to autonomy? You've seen this throughout this presentation a few times, and this is how we view our platform. A continually developed AI-powered platform that provides not only manufacturers and industry partners autonomy, but individual producers as well. Short-line manufacturers, technology partners, and sensor manufacturers can use our platform as an entry point into the world of autonomous self-driving operation. Autonomy is provided to producers and consumers in a way that as we continue to develop, we take them out of the seat of the cab. Reducing the labor requirement from producers positively impacts their work-life balance and allows them to be more efficient and successful. We started out in the agricultural industry in the manufacturing of air seeders. This is why our initial focus is in this market. Start with what we do well, then branch out into other industries, and then do that well. We are currently formulating partnerships with implement partners in areas such as mining, forestry, oil and gas, and construction. So how do we get to the future? Currently, we employ 10 engineers whose specialties include autonomous systems operation, object detection, computer vision, artificial intelligence, and system controls. We plan to double this number within the next year. We must also develop and implement a support system for the end user that challenges what they know about current farming practices. We are currently expanding hires for agricultural technicians and autonomous farm solution specialists. Our 2020 production is on track to produce 10 units for spring, and we are going to fill out this number to 30 units by the end of the year. We've developed a partnership with AMI, or the Alberta Machine Intelligence Institute, in concert with the U of A, Alberta Innovates, and the Government of Alberta. They've provided us with facilities and resources at their Edmonton campus to allow us direct research into machine learning and computer vision. We're also proud to be a core partner in the Canadian Agri-Food Automation and Intelligence Network, or CAIN, specifically in our coalition on the Smart Farm at Olds College in Alberta. Recently, on October 31st, 2019, we formalized a majority purchase of equity by Raven Precision. Being part of the Raven Autonomy Initiative not only provides us with financial resources to further our commercialization, but creates an ecosystem that is far ahead of any competitor on the path to autonomy. So what challenges do we face today? First off, safety, 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 and this is why agriculture makes sense first. Operating in rural areas with lower human and automotive populations reduces the number of accidents. Skilled operators, staff, and families are used to working with heavy machinery from a young age. We're also operating on private property. This is one area that we need to work with regulators in establishing safe operations on municipal roadways. Field-to-field conveyance is a major hurdle for us right now. So currently, we're lobbying Alberta and Saskatchewan governments to pilot what we call a follow me feature when crossing municipal highways. So I would ask you, are we ready? Is society ready to have robots working alongside our families and loved ones? Imagine if you're working on a farm, or a construction site, or in a mine. Are you ready to see a driverless bulldozer, seeder, or sprayer running missions? How about a long-haul truck driver, a taxi cab, or a bartender? What if these machines were proven, and as of today, have less accidents, and follow safety rules better than any human ever will? These workers also take no coffee breaks or lunches, and if they encounter an unsafe situation, simply stop everything they're doing, instantly. So I ask you again, are we ready? Maybe a better question is, could we be ready? This graph is a graph of employment within the agricultural industry from 2013 to 2016. The requirement for skilled labor has not decreased, and the workload still needs to be done. Current trends show that a good portion of succession planning sees family farming operations being sold off or changing hands as heirs do not want to continue operations. This is the challenge that DOT Technology Corp looks to conquer. Our goals are to improve work-life balance by reducing labor requirements. We also want to improve efficiency within operations with the use of artificial intelligence and reduce the number of farming-related accidents and deaths by transitioning current operators into logistical or managerial roles. This is what means DOT is autonomous farming.